And the Run Things sound, the Run Things international sound, and the champion sound, the man called Wayne Lonesome Jr. Father Lonesome, Swayne Lonesome, and Mama Angie. So I say, one big family. Where when they come to music business and a guy try to test, and the big bad sound Run Things. Come in, singer man!
Yeah. Yeah, man. Father Lonesome, man. Run Things. Every time, everywhere. See? Watch it. Run Things are number one, a place Splice them.
No.
Original sound around. If I ever tell you about Father Lonesome, you say I don't know what I know. Watch how we a murder them now.
Murder
watch
them.
ya.
Murder them.
Murder them now. Murder some clown. Mama Angie. Murder them now.
One channel we name. You got someone want contest where you try to test Run Things you want on the Danbury. You got someone want contest where you try to test Father Lonesome you got the Danbury sound come out. Because you now shock out and when you hear them ragamuffin jumping jump and shout not a trigator. You're not paying we want them get because great is great, great can't underrate. You got someone want contest where you try to test Run Things you want on the Danbury. Take it out. You got someone want contest where you test your champion and you want on the Danbury.
Yeah, me have a cozy kind of me and me gal and one with jump. They listen to the Run Things sound number one. Play that for the cool Chinese, white man and Indian. Get this kind of sound and mix up players, but watch it. Do you heard about the sound and call it Run Things? How the wicked they sound around. Father Lonesome. If I ever tell you about Run Things sound, you say I don't know what I know. Watch how we a murder them now. Murder them now. Laugh. Murder them now. No. Murder them now.
Excuse me, Run Things me never know so I saw you straight. You kill a sound any minute, any second of the day. Oh, follow me. You got someone want contest where you try to test Lonesome Junior, you got the Danbury. You got someone want contest where you test Mama Angie, you got the Danbury sound come out. Because you now shock out when you get the ragamuffin, you have to jump and not touch the gate. You're not paying with what and you because great is great, great can't underrate. Follow me. You got someone want contest where you test Run Things you will go dead, you dead. You got someone want contest where you test Run Things you.
I want you to know Run Things is the sound where the talk of the town. Kill the pussy, them a country. Watch how we murder them a town. Soon you will find out the sound Run Things supposed to be.
I want to try Run Things. I want to try. Big sound. He that sound, jump and sound.